Hello, hello, and welcome back to Jillies Nails. I hope you're here for this fun, crazy color geometric manicure, because that is what we are doing today with the Maniology plate M053. I don't know what designs we're gonna, well, I do know because you saw the picture at the beginning, but at the time I was filming it, I didn't know what colors I was gonna do. I just wanted to play and have fun and do something a little different than I normally do. So I grabbed some bright in your face summer colors and went to work. Now I want to talk about my natural nails here for a minute. If you look right where my nail line starts, where it starts to turn white, my nails almost always look stained there, which in turn makes them look dirty. And it irritates me. It looks like I haven't cleaned my nails. So I wanted to try this Maniology whitening, like brightening base coat, and I love it. It's almost like it just completely gets rid of that line. Because I promise I clean under my nails. It just doesn't look like it because for some reason that's where they stain, if they stain. And here you can see it's clear on the other nails, and now I'm doing the base coat on top of it. That color is called Skin Deep, and it is supposed to be, a neutral tone, so you could do French manicures, that kind of stuff. I'm going to go in with the Sally Hansen top coat. That clearly needs a little polish thinner in it. It's getting thick. I couldn't even tell that when I was using it. It's kind of funny how that happens sometimes. So we are picking up this plate, and if you see on my other hand that dragon manicure, I'll put a card in there for you so you can check that one out. It was cute, lots of fun. And I decided I'm going to go in and have some fun. I wanted to test out these polishes, see if I could use just a little drop. Yeah, we're about to just go wild. Okay, well, it's wild for me. I don't usually do geometric nail designs, but I really liked this. I would wear this again, actually. The hardest problem that I have is always these straight lines. I don't know if it's because I have a strong C curve or what, but anytime I have a lot of straight lines on something, I'll have a hard time stamping it straight. I don't know if I just wiggle around too much or what. I need to work on that. And the best part about this is when you just go in with a bunch of different colors and you're playing with different designs, you don't have to clean your plate every time. So what I'm doing here is just building up layers of different things. And if you want your layers to have a little more depth and dimension to them, you can go through and put in a layer of clear top coat in between each of these stamps, and it will kind of build them up some and give them a natural shadow, which can be a very cool effect. And sometimes it can help your stamping polishes not change color. Like if you put blue over yellow, it won't turn green. But not always, so you have to kind of play with that one. This is the one part of this manicure. Was it this one? No, I go back and put the stars on a different finger. I wish I hadn't done that. I didn't like the color choice I made. Love the middle finger though. I love how that looks. This is the part that bothered me. And I want to say this, like, editing is one of my issues. Not editing videos, but knowing when to stop. I liked it with the line on it. I wish I had done those stars in blue so it kind of matched the other manicure better. I don't hate it. I just wish I had done it in blue now. And this, I actually took so long fussing over where I was going to put those two stripes that the polish dried on the stamper. And you'll see when I pull it away here, I have little flaps of polish hanging off the end of my nail. And I had to go in with some cuticle nippers and cut that off. And if you're watching closely, you'll see I am all over this plate. I'm into every corner, the middle, just all over grabbing designs, having a blast with this. The options really and truly are endless with this one. And I waited too long and let that dry on the plate and didn't get a clean pickup. So I'm going to go ahead and clean everything off real quick. Make sure that that little tiny thin design is scrubbed out well. And that time it picked up perfectly. So we're going to go ahead and stamp it down. Cute. I'm going to do it again in a blue. Because why not? Because I have to try to not stick my hand in that mess I'm scraping onto a paper towel. How fun is that? I really truly love that design. I hope you like it too. If you have questions, please pop them below. If you're still here, please watch to the end of the video. It does help out my channel a lot. And you can use code JILLIE, JILLIE 1010 to get 10% off any Maniology products. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you. Bye bye.